Hello, friend. Congratulations on making it to day 5 of our 5 days, 5 minutes of breathwork challenge. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a breathing technique called 5-finger breathing. And this breathwork is going to make you feel clear, it's going to make you feel focused, and it's going to make you feel rejuvenated. So what will happen is we'll take our left hand first, and we'll inhale to a count of 5, hold for a count of 5, and then exhale for a count of 5. And we'll do 5 rounds of that, going up and down our fingers, and then we'll switch over to the other hand. There's also a surprise at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end, because there's a little treat for making it to day number 5. So proud of you. All right, friends, let's go get started. Find a comfortable position with the spine tall, shoulders relaxed, face is soft. First breath is a free breath to clear. Inhale fully, exhale fully. Bring your right pointer finger to your left pinky. Let us begin. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your left pointer finger and bring it over to your right pinky. Let us begin on the second side. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Start to rub the palms together, start to create some heat, some energy, some friction. Rub those hands together really fast. Take a big inhale, and then exhale both hands over the eyes for yogic palming. Allow yourself to breathe into this cool darkness. Allow yourself to feel clear, focused, and rejuvenated. Slowly bring the fingers down the face, back together at heart center. Bow in towards yourself, and namaste. Yay! Congratulations, you did it! You completed this 5-day challenge, 5 minutes of breath work, so a total of 25 minutes. So proud of you. It's so important that we take time out of our day for ourselves. And the best way to lower your stress, boost your immune system, change your mood is by controlling your breath. So the more that we can really tune in, tap in, and touch that breath, we can really tune in, tap in, and touch into ourselves and just feel like a more relaxed, more focused, more clear, more energized, more grounded version of ourselves. All right, friend, well, you know the drill. Leave a comment down below. Also, let me know what kind of challenge you want to do next. Breathwork, meditation, yoga. Please leave those comments down below. I'm always here to listen. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you at the next video. All right, bye everyone.